Welcome if you're joining. Your life is just starting, so make sure to tap on your screen. Today I want to talk about types of orders, types of pending orders. And these pending orders are orders that can help you know when to enter or exit your trade. Okay. So make sure you do well to give a thumbs up, guys. If you're just joining, just give a thumbs up to this. Okay, so you're welcome. Is our Coach the World. Today's live session is about pending orders. And what is the pending order? I hope my comment section is open. Please, somebody say hi. Let me be sure the session is open. Say hi. Just say hi. Hi in the comment section. Let me be sure it's open. Just say hi. I just need someone to say hi. Let me be sure it's open. The comment section is open. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you. Let's do more. Let's do more. And I'll start teaching right away. So when it comes to market, we have a lot of orders. We have so many kinds of entry orders. And for the entry orders are where we can execute our positions. That is what we call entry orders. Entry orders are placed like this, where you take your entries, okay? Placed like this, Placed like this, when you take your entries, these are called where you execute your position. Placed like this. Placed like this also for the order for sell. This is for buy, okay? So these are types of orders. We call them, we have types of orders. The orders are orders that help you to execute your position for our entry. Okay, so there are, where are you from? Okay. Vishna, God help me, Vaishnavi. Okay, I'm from Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, but I teach from here to the different countries. I have students from different countries. That's what I meant to say. So you're welcome. Okay, so let's proceed, guys. Now, these orders you see here, as I said, these are orders that help us to take a trade, to enter a position or exit a position. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the two types of orders. Yes, I did. Okay, so these orders help us. You come live daily. Yeah, not daily though. But if you want me to, if you don't want to miss my live, go and follow me on TikTok and also on Instagram. You will meet me there. If I'm not here today, I'll be here some other time. You can meet me on. Let me type it. Okay, so. If I'm not live here on YouTube, you will see me live on TikTok or Instagram, okay? So let's go ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead with the teaching. Okay, are we ready for the class? Are we ready for the class? What is it? I'm teaching how to know types of pending orders you can use. Types of pending orders. Okay, types of pending orders. We are looking at types of pending orders. Okay, types of pending orders. So I'm getting on with it. Okay, I'm putting it on the screen. So guys, just hold on. I'm putting it on the screen. Okay, so here it is. You can follow on all socials here. Okay, I hope that is visible enough. Okay, I think this is visible enough. Let me make it bold a bit. Okay, good. Yeah, great. Thank you very much. Thank you. So let's go ahead, guys. Today we are looking at types of orders. And when we talk about types of orders, we have almost 8 types of orders. Please, if you're joining, look at the top there. You see a thumbs up. Tap on that thumbs up there. When you tap there at the right, you'll see this heart icon. Tap on it and keep tapping. Let the bubble keep coming up. That is when we know we are active, okay? So let's get started. Keep tapping. The more you do that, the more the algorithm see that we are active, and a lot of person will learn with us. So let's look at types of orders. Now, as I said, we have about 8 or 10 or more, but I'm going to pick this few. Going to talk about them. And I believe by the end of this class, you'll know what to call orders. This is an example of how orders looks like. You can see them. These are types of orders, okay? Orders are how you execute your trade or exit your trade, how you enter or how you exit your trade. That is what orders are. So that is what I will be talking about today. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. You really don't want to miss out whenever I'm live. Sometimes when I come live here, we analyze the market, we trade together, and I drop trading signals too. So you don't want to miss out. So when we talk about pending orders, some pending orders are used to execute trade for a buy or sell, while some orders are used to exit a trade. Okay, I repeat that. Some pending orders are used to execute a trade, while some are used to exit a trade. Okay, so you want to know which action you want to take. Okay, you want to know which action you want to take. It is the action you want to take that will now tell you which of the kind of orders you want to do, right? So now let's go. Firstly, we have the one we call entry orders. Entry orders are the orders you want to use to enter a trade. Now, instead of taking that buy or sell instantly, right? If you look on your screen, you see where they say buy, you see where they say sell. On your MT5, you see buy, you will see sell, right? So the buy or sell you see there is an instant order. That is what you call it market order or instant order. Okay, we call it market order or instant order. That is when you are using the buy or sell on your MetaTrader. That is what we call instant order. For instant order, you're taking your trade based on the price of the market as at the time. Okay, you're taking your trade based on the price of the market at per moment. That moment, you're taking your trade based on what the market is giving you at that time. That is what we call instant order, or we call it market order. Okay, so at that point, you don't have the ability to negotiate price, whether you want to buy higher or you want to buy lower. So you just buy with the current price the market is giving you. So we call that kind of order market order. Okay, so I think I will go to the chart for each of the topic. I'll go to the chart and demonstrate for you guys to understand. Okay. So let's go. Now, for a market order, which is this guy, where is my arrow? Oh, okay, sorry, I'm coming. I'm looking for something that I will use to. Okay, good. Let me add this so I don't come looking for it. So, no, you get out. Now, for this now, which is the market order we're looking at. Fine. For the market order, it means you want to take your trade based on, just like you can see here now. Let's say I want to take a trade from, let's say, this point here, right? I want to take a trade from this point here. Now, I want to enter the trade based on the market price I'm seeing at that time. Now, I'm not waiting for the market to go up or down before I take the trade. I want to take the trade exactly at the current price of the market. Okay, so looking at this now, I will zoom this out. I'll zoom this out. Fine. Now, looking at this now, this is the current market price. This is the current market price. So if I want to deal with market order, that means I'm taking my buy or sell using this price, this current price. Okay, I'm buying from here. Let me put that on the screen for those that really are not following. So, sorry. Okay, I want to bring the write-up so it will be easy to understand. The comment section is open. If you have questions, feel free to drop them. Okay? Okay, so here we go. Good. So look at it here. So if you are taking your trade now, based on this now, you're taking that trade based on market price. And what is market price? Market price is where the candle is at the time you're taking that trade, which is that current candle. That is what market order is. Now you're taking that trade based on the current market price, which is market order, as you can see here now. So if you're taking a buy or you're taking a sell, it is based on the price that market is giving you. Mind you, for every transaction, you have the ability to buy cheaper or lesser, or you have the ability to sell higher, okay? So for every business, you want to buy less and sell high. Yes. For every business, you want to buy cheap and sell high, okay? So when it comes to trading, same thing applies. You want to buy at a cheaper price and you want to sell at a higher price once the market is gone in your favor, right? So in other words, when you see the price moving as the candle is jumping up and down and you want to take an order, let's say you want to take a direct order, that order is called market order. We have three names you can call it. You can call it market order, you can call it instant order, you can call it market execution, okay? Or which same is still as market price. Overall, you're just trading off the current price of the candle of that market. Whatever price is giving you at that time, that is what you're trading with. You're taking your buy or sell, based on that current price, right? That is what we call market order, okay? So the next order is, now when you're taking this order, once you enter the position, you have no adjustment as per you want to buy lesser or you want to buy higher. No. This is where you just click that buy or sell button on your screen. So once you do that, you have no ability to adjust where you want to re-enter, where you want to take the buy or take the sell, because you already done it in market order. Okay. So if you're just joining, make sure you subscribe, click on the thumbs up button. And also you see at the right hand, I don't think I should be seeing this popping up, guys. I want to believe you're getting value. You see the love icon at your right, just keep tapping on it. Okay. Just keep tapping on it, or the percentage, just that emoji you see beside you, just keep tapping on it. So now, once you take this order, you have two options: to have your SL playing out, or you have your TP playing out. These are the two options you would have if you have already executed your trade based off what we call the market order, right? Based off the market order you see. Okay, so that is what we call the market order. That is an instant order you take. So let's look at the next order we have. The next order we have here is called, the next order here we have is called the buy stop. It's called the buy stop. Okay. Okay. Now the next order we have is called the buy stop. We've done the market order. So we are looking at the buy stop now. Now the buy stop is an order you take for the market to execute for you at a later price. Okay. Which is this order. Okay. So let's look at the buy stop now. Sorry. Okay, I'll stay one place now. Okay, I think you can see that then. It's okay. Now let's look at the buy stop, what the buy stop order is. Now, a buy stop order is a buy order you want to take at a later price, not at the current price, but a later price that is above the current market price. Okay? A buy stop order is an order you want to put above the current market price. So, in other words, you already know and you already expect the market to go in that direction. Okay? So, if the market is going in the direction, which is, for instance, now this is a buy stop. This order is a buy stop order. This one now is called a buy stop order. Now, what does it mean? It means that this is where price is, right? And you anticipate that price will be going up. So you place your buy stop above the current price. You place your buy stop above the current price. So once price gets there, trigger it for you and continue going up. So what does that mean? What that means is that you have the market moving this way, moving like this, right? The market is moving in that direction. And you want to take an entry, you want to take a buy entry, but you don't want to take at the current price. You want to take, once you make sure, you want to be sure that this market at this point now has broken this zone, this structure here. That is when you want to take your buy. Okay? So this is where you now put your buy stop around here. You put your buy stop there. So once the market comes, it will now trigger the buy stop for you. So once you trigger this buy stop here, as it keeps going up, you'll be in profit. I just hope you're getting this now. So as long as it keeps going up, definitely you'll be in profit. So the buy stop is an order you place above the current market price. So once the market gets to that zone and triggers the order, you are in profit as long as the market keeps going your way. So the buy stop is a very simple order to take a buy trade. That buy trade will be executed once price get to that area. Okay. Once price gets to that area, it executes that trade for you. So let's say you have the market trending down like this, right? Now you want to only take a buy when you're sure the market is going up. So now you see the market now give you a new structure like this, and the market is now somewhere here, giving you a double bottom, and the market is here, came back, right? Now you want to put your pending order above this area. Now what you're doing is, if you're going up, if this market is going to be bullish, then trigger buy for me at the top here, so that once you keep going up, I'll be in profit. Okay, so now you have something like this. Let's say this is a trend, right? So you come and you put your, where is it? Buy stop, right? Let me copy that. Okay, so you come and put your buy stop here. Paste. Okay, good. Now you come and put your buy stop around here. Put your buy stop here, right? So this is your buy stop now. What do? Your buy stop, you're telling the market that if you are still going up, once you get to this area, which my buy stop is, execute the buy for me. And once you keep going up, I'll be in profit. Okay? That is exactly what the buy stop means. It's an order you execute above current market price. So by the time you're putting this buy stop, the market was around here. By the time you were putting this buy stop, the market was somewhere here. So you're saying that if you're still going up, execute my buy for me at this point. Once you continue going up, I'll be in profit, right? I will be in profit. That is exactly what a buy stop order is. And that is how it works. You execute the positions for you above the current market price. Now, these executions or this trade, you really don't have to be there for them to play out. Okay? You really don't have to be there for these trades to play out. Oh, wow, this is 10:16, guys. I will need to shift. I have class in 4 minutes time. I have the master class in 4 minutes time. So, okay, let me round up with this buy stop, then we can call it a day. So once you see that the market will be going bullish, just for instance here, we have this. We have this now. Let me remove this, our orders. We have this now here. You have this. So if I wait for this candle to play out, then I say after this candle, if the market will continue bullish, I want to take my buy, right? I will come and put my buy stop here. Where is my buy stop? I'll come and put my buy stop there, which is something like this. I'll put my buy stop there. So what my buy stop means is that once the market comes to this point here, it's going to trigger a buy for me. And once it keeps going up, I'll definitely be in profit. Okay? That is how the buy stop works. That is exactly how the buy stop works. Guys, as I said, I will be having the master class in a few minutes, so I need to go prepare for the master class. Do well to go follow me on other socials here. If I'm not live on YouTube, I'm live on Instagram and TikTok, majorly TikTok. So go to TikTok, look for the Word FX. The new accounts, they banned my previous account, so the new one is about 1K3, right? 1K3 to 1K4. So go ahead and follow on Instagram too. And also go to Telegram. You see my free channel at the Word FX Academy. Just go and follow, guys. So I'll come back probably later in the day and we have this live session. Okay.